Hi, my name is Madeline Cogbill, and I'm presenting my speech on why we should switch to paper straws.
Hi, I'm John Cockbill.
I'm Jenny Cogbill, Madeline's mom.
Hello, I'm Leanne Massey.
Hello, group. I'm Mark John Hannon, Friends of the Cogbills.
Hi, I'm Emmeline Haynes.
And my name is Emma Cogbill. Each year, 100 million marine mammals die. 184 to 213 million metric tons of greenhouse gases are released into our atmosphere, and 14 million tons of plastic end up in the ocean. The root of all these environmental problems comes down to one thing: plastic. More specifically, plastic straws. Humans use plastic straws in their everyday life. Whether it's going through the drive-thru of your favorite fast food restaurant or sitting down at your local bistro, your drink comes with a plastic straw. One solution that will help for our environmental standards of the world is to use paper straws. Anad Tawari writes, "When you use paper straws, you're not only reducing your own environmental impact, but also helping to protect the environment of future generations." Using paper straws reduces our carbon footprint. You may ask, what is the carbon footprint? Well, it is the amount of gases that is released into our atmosphere that is the result of human actions. Grace Smoot writes that the carbon footprint is the main cause of human-induced climate change. It contributes to urban air pollution, and it leads to toxic acid rain, and adds to coastal and ocean acidification. The production of plastic straws contributes to the carbon footprint. It uses a lot of our fossil fuels and our non-renewable resources, such as oil, which can have a negative impact on our environment. Also, with each straw, it emits a large amount of greenhouse gases. According to resources, each plastic straw will need around 39 kilojoules of energy and an output of 1.5 grams of carbon emissions. Paper straws come from a more natural resource, which is trees, which has a better impact on our environment than the plastic straws that get produced. Also, another reason to switch to paper straws is because they are biodegradable. Paper straws, unlike plastic, will not end up in our landfills. According to Kayla Visaheli, landfills where thrown out single-use plastics are sent account for over 15% of methane emissions. The disposal of more plastics to landfills leads to increased landfill size and these emissions. Plastic straws may break down into smaller pieces, but they will continue to live in the landfills and litter our streets. Paper straws are also composable, which means they will break down into our earth in a more natural way and much safer for the wildlife around us. Some people may argue that paper straws are not any better than plastic straws because of the damage caused to our forests. Eva Majewski-Cady writes, "In addition, the production of paper straw leads to destruction of forests, which means that fewer trees are available to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. While it makes a valid point, it is obvious that the pros of paper straws outweigh the cons. Paper straws are the step that humans need to take in order to preserve our environment and our oceans." Amy Kuhn writes, "A single plastic straw can take up to 200 years to decompose. Plastic straws are also not biodegradable. Instead, they slowly fragment into smaller and smaller plastics, such as microplastics, which fish and marine animals mistake for food and end up ingesting these plastics. These smaller pieces are not only harmful for our environment, but they are harmful for humans too. These microplastics can seep into our groundwater, and they can also contaminate our food supply." The switch to paper straws is a necessity to the preservation of our environment. The plastic is killing our world around us, and we can make a difference with a little change. The little change being the switch to plastic straws to paper straws. The paper straws that will reduce our carbon footprint and have the ability to biodegrade. So the next time you're faced with the option of using plastic straws or paper straws with your drink, pick the one that will help us save our oceans and our world around us. Pick the paper straw. Thank you.